So I'm gonna make some quinoa pancakes. I got some quinoa flour here. I'm gonna add some water. I'll thicken it out with a spoon of sea moss. Now I'm just scraping some of the stuck flour off the bottom of the bowl. I like the consistency to be like a thin pancake batter. Adding a little bit of avocado oil to this hot cast iron pan. Cook each side for about a minute. Gonna re-oil my pan and make one more. And that's it. I really like the flavor on these pancakes. These would be really good with some agave nectar or some maple syrup, or you can make it into a savory wrap. It makes a great fajita too.